Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the filters of the SimPure Q3-600, and also I'm going to show you how to reset the filter status indicator. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Of course I had to take out the whole system, disconnect the power in the bag, and of course we have to turn off the water in the bag so nothing is happening. And so we can check up here when we turn it on, there's no water flowing, and so I have it here outside. Easy to open the lid, and these are the new cartridges. They are nicely sealed, so we have to cut and remove the seal. Best thing of course to remove it everywhere, and so I recommend to use a towel. If there are some water drops, means not much, then we remove the holder or open the holder on the top, push the brackets a little bit to the side, then we can pull it out easily. I recommend to start on the right side, I think there's more space. After that we can remove the one on the left side, and you can see there's not much water here, just a few drops, but was definitely worse to add a towel. And then we take new cartridge, make sure that you have the right one on the left side, the reverse osmosis filter, just push it fully inside, then lock it here on top, and on the right side same thing, just align it properly, then push it fully inside. That's the CF filter cartridge. And then after that of course we also lock it here, make sure that everything is nicely inside. After that, time to turn on the water and check if there are some leaks while having the lid still open. And when there are no leaks, time to close the lid everywhere, top and on the side. Give an extra push, make sure that it's fully closed, and so we can take it, lift it back to the original position, make sure that there is still enough space for the power. So here in this case I had to push it a little bit back, grab the power, and so we can see power comes back. And so of course after that highly recommended to give it a nice flush. Leave it running for a couple of minutes to make sure that everything is nicely flushed here. And so I filled the glass and tested it, and it was back to perfection, and the noise which I had before was also removed. So perfect filtration change. I've replaced both of the filters, even though the reverse osmosis filter was not flashing, but I wanted to change it anyway. But of course you can also wait till you see the flashing light, unless you hear some louder noise, louder vibration, which I had. Probably I had a little bit of bad water quality. Now I've installed a whole home water filter, so it should be better in the future. So I had this after about half a year, and now of course I want to reset so it's not flashing and will give me a warning when the filter quality is going down. So when we want to reset it, we have to long press here for 3 seconds. I think it's a sensor button, you can see. Now we have a flashing light. If you want to reset the CF filter, we can long press now. If you want to reset the reverse osmosis filter, we have to click here. You can see, can switch back and forth. And when we have decided for the filter which we want to reset, we can long press another 3 seconds. By the way, you can only reset one at one time. And also if you don't do anything, the reset process will leave the function after 10 seconds. So for the second one, I have to long press again for 3 seconds. And now it's the CF filter blinking, and now I long press again. And now you can see both of the LEDs are solid. So it's a pretty easy, straightforward process. Nothing too complicated. By the way, I forgot to mention, when you have one of these flashing lights and you start the water, you will hear some beeping. I mean, the water will still be running, but you will hear a beeping as an indication that some maintenance is needed. So even when you have the door closed, you will notice that there's something to do. I think a really nice function. And so I had it here, and when I turn on the water again, yeah, you heard that now it's not beeping anymore. So everything is in good condition, filters replaced. LED not flashing anymore, not beeping anymore, and so I can enjoy great, clear, clean water again from this SimPure reverse osmosis filter, which I really like. I love this system. It has never let me down, has been working the whole time, super reliable. I love the water, so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of this reverse osmosis filter and the filter cartridges down into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this water filter, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.